Welcome to my channel. Hi. In order to help you speak basic English, we have collected Urdu to English sentences for daily use. After learning these English sentences with Urdu translation, you will be able to speak English on different occasions. So let's get started. Easy English practice. He went on Monday.
वो सोमवार को गया।
He went on Monday. He died of cholera.
वो हैजा से मरा।
He died of cholera. It has been raining since morning.
सुबह से बारिश हो रही है।
It has been raining since morning. Maria speaks loudly.
मारिया बहुत ऊंचा बोलती है।
Maria speaks loudly. She arrived too soon.
वो ज्यादा ही जल्दी आ गई।
She arrived too soon. He comes of a rich family.
वो एक अमीर घराने से ताल्लुक रखता है।
He comes of a rich family. He reminds me of his brother.
इसे देखकर मुझे इसके भाई की याद आई।
He reminds me of his brother. He will reach within a month.
वो एक माह के अंदर पहुंचेगा।
He will reach within a month. Chew your food properly.
खुराक को अच्छी तरह चबा आ।
Chew your food properly. It's drizzling.
बूंदाबांदी हो रही है।
It's drizzling. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.